is a crocheting method for the 6th round. 3 chain stitches, 2 double crochets, 14 chain stitches, skip 8 stitches, 16 double crochets, 14 chain stitches, skip 8 stitches, 14 double crochets, slip stitch. There are 60 stitches in total for this round. Now let's crochet the 6th round. First, make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 chain stitches. We crochet a double crochet at the first stitch. Yarn over the hook and insert into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull out. At this time, there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull out 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Complete the first double crochet. Put on a stitch marker. We also crochet a double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over the hook and go through the second stitch. Now 2 double crochets have been completed. Next, crochet 14 chain stitches. Yarn over the hook. Pull through the loop. Complete the first chain stitch. Yarn over the hook again and pull through the loop. Complete the second chain stitch. We've completed 14 chain stitches. We skip 8 stitches. These 8 stitches are not crocheted. Work 1 double crochet into the 9th stitch. Lift the V-shaped stitch, including its top loop and bottom loop. Yarn over and pull out. At this time, there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. Complete a double crochet. Next, we need to crochet 16 double crochets. Now we've finished crocheting 16 double crochets. You can count the stitches. After crocheting, we make another 14 chain stitches. Yarn over the hook. 14 chain stitches are completed. Then we skip 8 stitches without crocheting. Work 1 double crochet into the 9th stitch. Pull the yarn out. At this time, there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now there are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Complete a double crochet. We need to crochet a total of 14 double crochets. Now 14 double crochets have been completed. We need to slip stitch at the stitch marker position. No need to change the yarn. Take off the stitch marker. Do not switch yarn for the slip stitch of this round, because we'll still use green yarn for the next row. This round is now complete.